Ladies and gentlemen, our Mutya sa Laoang 2024 second runner-up. Second runner-up will receive 25,000 pesos cash prize, 1,500 worth of one-tier cake from Laoang, a bouquet from Jen Flower Shop, and free dental treatment from Dr. Rizalin Cirujano of MDC Orthodontal Clinic. And to give the awards, I would like to request Dr. Sandy Mahusay and Mr. John Ro Loverita. Assisting these individuals, would like to request Honorable Mida Hiray and Honorable Jail Dory Lagrimas.
Our Mutya sa Laoang second runner-up is Mutya San Red Side B. Thank you, ma'am, sir. And now, we only have two stronger women vying for the crown.
Our first runner-up will receive 35,000 pesos cash prize, 2,500 pesos worth of two-tier cake from Laoang, bouquet from Jen Flower Shop, and free dental treatment from Dr. Rizalin Cirujano of MDC Orthodontal Clinic. This time, ladies and gentlemen, I will be announcing the Mutya sa Laoang 2024.
And to award the Mutya sa Laoang first runner-up, may request Attorney Mike Sarmiento, our Municipal Vice Mayor, and Miss Regine Daulat. Assisting them will be Honorable Nilda Adora and Honorable Eugenia Sorio.
And our Mutya sa Laoang 2024 is Mutya San Municipality of Laoang. Our Mutya sa Laoang 2024 is Mutya San Little Venice. And our first runner-up is Mutya San Riverside.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
And to give the awards for El Mutya San Laoang 2024, we would like to request Honorable Mayor Hector Laoang and Mr. Benmark Fabro. Assisting them, we'd like to request Mr. Isidro Espina, Mr. June Erinco, and Mr. Efren Lagrimas.
once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Mutya San Laoang 2024. Mutya San Little Venice, Helen Ray May Ligtig.
Our Mutya San Laoang 2024 will receive 50,000 pesos cash prize from Miss Regine Daula of Luster Collections PH. One whole lechon from Marcos Lechon. 4,500 pesos worth 3-tier cake from Pan de Laoang. Free dental treatment from Dr. Rizalin Serrano of MDC Orthodontal Clinic.
2,000 pesos gift check and a bouquet from Nihon Spa, 1,000 pesos voucher from the 701 Coffee, free intro to diving class plus one companion of our choice. Intro to diving also comes with 2 free fun dive from Tugkad Free Diving. Deluxe room for 4 guests with breakfast in Clearwater Bar and Grill Beach Resort. 50 pesos everyday worth of pandesal for 1 month from Fairfair Rolling Malunggay Pandesal and a bouquet from Jinjin Flower Shop.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our Mutya San Laoang 2024. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.
And now our Mutya San Laoang 2024 Queens, you may now have your take. First, your first walk.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to the Mutya San Laoang 2024 winners.